Yeah,
it's like you're getting stuck twice on the local tax.
G-Wash, that's my favorite one.
This one?
Especially for ceramic coated cars. What's going on, dude?
They're good, they're good.
Hell yeah, dude. That's what's up. I like the background. I want to do the background like that, somewhere like.
Oh, in the back.
Yeah. Detail, right?
Alright.
I.detail. Sí, ¿cómo le puedo ayudar? What part of town are you from, man?
Spring Branch?
Spring Branch, so that's where your area is at?
Yeah. Right now we watch some trailers, so man, there's a lot of dust up.
Hell yeah, bro.
Looks nice. I like it. Alright, man.
Later. What's going on, dude? How many boxes you got for me, man?
Yeah. After this, it's going straight to my parking garage. And then...
Are you gonna have the inside open, or is everything gonna be?
I don't know yet. He hadn't told me.
We'll vacuum the inside. We'll clean your inner door wells. It'll be a clean look. You can do black too, Green Goblin.
Oh, I guess, yeah, if you have the material to do black.
Oh yeah. Here, let me show you what colors I got. Just
It's busy.
yeah,
It's a good thing, man. That's what we wanted, no?
yeah, it is. So who's all gonna be in the same booth?
There's gonna be an AMG GTR. There's gonna be a Vanquish, Vantage, and we're gonna have the Raptor. And something else in there.
Where's the show at?
At
The NRG
the
Center.
Okay.
we want to show all the new 2019s,
The auto, like the manufacturer.
2020s.
I haven't been that in freaking
I wanna check out the new Supra.
I saw a picture of that. It looks fucking clean.
It's biased. People are like pissed.
Look at
On
I think it
the,
looks good.
just wait till you see it like dropped and like you know like.
I saw one with like the Supra bumper on it, or the Supra front bumper on it. And
Those kind of the Silverados. The 2019 Silverados.
oh yeah.
Fucking,
Yeah, no.
those are hideous.
The new Silverados?
Yeah. When they're stock, they look hideous to me. But I've seen some look actually pretty good when they're lifted.
Yeah. We saw, didn't one show up? That Z71? He just, huh? Yep.
I saw one driving down the road.
Yeah.
So far, the only one I've seen that look good is this guy that's, I think he lives in West Houston. He has a black one that's lifted and all sections lift. And it's a high country edition. So the high country actually doesn't look too bad.
Don't have anything on the side windows?
Nope. They're clean.
They came on these, I thought that was like a Hellcat. But yeah, you just like, look it out. It really just helped my IATs. Yeah, it's all functional.
I see that.
Can you do this all stuff? Remember all this back up? Around. And then it takes the Accuair thing I bought. It has like a tube that comes off the bottom of the box and it comes into like right where it is, like right there.
Yeah.
And it kind of steps into that. But I don't want to be taking all stuff out.
It's gonna be at the auto show. If you go out there, check it out. I'm gonna get him. Your keys? You got your keys? Let me close this door real quick.
Yeah, they're in it.
You already took out all the stickers?
Oh yeah, I was pain in the ass. My fingers were like sore from stuff in here though. So
Oh, yeah,
here's
yeah.
my water tank.
I'm gonna save you. The thing is that he's. Hold on. I.detail. I have Rupes lineup. I also have Chemical Guys' Torque X. It's $129.99. You good, bro?
Appreciate it.
I'll see you next time, man.
For sure, for sure.
And then do just.
Did you show him my shines?
Yeah.
You saw that? What do you think?
That's fucking perfect.
2311 for taxes to this number twice, and we don't want that to happen. And that's what we should be calculating here, not 28.75. Means you're paying an extra $560. 28051 times 0.0825. That's what you should be paying.
It's not like a delinquency or anything. It's just.
No, it's your look at this timely file discount.
I'm getting a timely filing discount. Okay.
It's due tomorrow.
So tomorrow we'll call him.
Tomorrow's a horrible day for me. I'm going to be out of office a lot. My suggestion is let's pay this. Let's get it filed and paid.
The 2300.
Right. And I don't want that to happen. I want to make sure we get you taken care of. All right. I'm going to do this now. Checking account. Let's see. And then you want to look at this again here, make sure we're good.
Hurry away. These are cool.
You got spotless detailing in the house. Getting the essentials to get you guys cleaned up. Blackbird Auto Detailing. I.detail. Yo, what's up? What's up, man? Yes. I got confirmation today that it is going to be sent out. Yeah, I.detail. You'll find me. You'll see a Rupes polisher.
All right, cool. I'll comment on.
All right, man.
So you see.
Later, guys. Later, man. Yeah, come on through. We're over here, all right? All right. What's going on, guys? Come on in. Come on in. But it's always good to sand them down too. 20 bucks.
No, like the shirt or a jacket?
Oh, it's a shirt.
The shirt?
Yeah. Sweaters and 20 bucks for the shirts.
Appreciate you.